Hi friends, today I am going to show you the recipe for Dharwad Peda. To prepare Dharwad Peda, I am using 3/4 cup of sugar. To this I am adding a little water and stirring it continuously over medium flame until the sugar dissolves completely and solidifies again. Now the sugar has completely dissolved and foam is forming. Let's continue stirring it. The sugar has solidified. I'll transfer this to a plate. I have powdered 3/4 of the total sugar in a mixie jar. The remaining sugar will be used to coat the Dharwad Peda at the end. This I have powdered using a steel bowl and kept it aside. To a pan, I am adding 1 cup of milk powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ghee and mixing on low-medium flame. We need to cook this with continuous stirring until the color changes. This can take little bit of time. For me, it took somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes. The color is changing and starting to turn brownish. Now let's add around 2 tablespoons of milk and continue stirring. After some time, add some more milk. In total, I have added 4 tablespoons of milk. Now the mixture is cooked and is also moist. I have turned off the flame and added the powdered sugar and mixed well. The sugar is nicely mixed with the mixture. Let's prepare the peda when it is still warm. The shape can be round or a bit cylindrical. As a last step, let's roll the peda in the powdered sugar so that it is nicely coated. The tasty Dharwad Peda is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.